Hello friends. So in this video we'll discuss about the weekly forecast on Nifty, Bank Nifty using GAN and Astro studies and neural forecast. So some important events are happening on 16th. First is last week we have seen as the Mars ingress, so Mars went into retrograde and we have seen some wild moves in the Nifty. The effect, the market was stuck in a range for 3-4 days, and finally on Friday on Sensex expiry we saw a big wild move, 300 points down on Nifty and then almost 300 200 points up. So now what could be the next potential move of the market? Now we have seen like similar kind of move was seen on 5th of December, and after that the market started going in a range, and again we had this move. So probably we can expect some range bound movement in the market uh, in the next week. The reason for that is first is Mercury is turning direct. So Mercury was retrograde, and we have seen retrograde periods are very volatile in nature. Let me show you when the Mercury turned retrograde. So this is the time when Mercury turned retrograde, almost made a bottom the next day, and from there we had a big move. Now this retrograde event is going to get over, and Mercury is turning direct. So direct again, the impact we will see more on telecommunication stocks. So Bharti Reliance should be on radar. Then which I created in one of my previous video. Then FMCG stock should be on radar, and brokerage stocks like Engine One and all that should be on your radar for the coming week. And this is going to start on 16th. So this is one thing which is happening. Previously we have seen around these times, at times we have seen a market going in a range bound move for 3-4 days and then starting a new trend, like this time again going in range bound in 3-4 days and then a new trend starts. So again with the big volatile move which we have seen on Friday, so Monday as gift Nifty was showing that we might open gap down and then probably that fill the gap and remain in that range, and then probably around 2021st when if you go and check the past analysis of December around this month when the season also changes, you tend to see some big moves in the market. So something like this can be seen. Second thing which we are seeing is the sun, the new moon is coming. So let me quickly draw that also. So here we have applied the full moon. So full moon again, last time it came here, 2 days we bottomed out and we had a good rally. So moon cycles gives you a good inclination what could be the next potential move of the market. So they generally leads to a trend change also, as we have seen. Third thing which is coming is Mercury is going in extreme declination. Let me quickly show you that also. This is Mercury with extreme declination. So this is also happening again. Last time it happened here. 2 days of fall, then a good rally. So what these studies are suggesting, like market can see a range bound movements for next 1 or 2 days, and then we can see a big move. So again, this study also suggests that. And next important thing is, these are the dynamic cycles of Nifty and Bank Nifty from 29th Feb and 30th September. 2 days we are completing one important cycle of GAN. These dates are coming on 16th. Let's quickly see what happened on 30th September and 29th Feb. So this was 29th Feb. Market made a bottom at 6825. From there a big rally happened. So this is an important bottom, and we have seen some big moves happening from that. So when these important bottoms, there is a GAN cycle coming up, so we have to be extremely cautious and we have to take about 30th September. So I think 15 somewhere here 30th September, and from there also big rally happened, right? So both days are coming. So we are seeing a confluence of GAN GAN dates and Astro dates on 16th, because of full moon and Mercury extreme declination. Mercury has a very, very big move on our markets. We have seen that impact multiple times. So, so 16th high and low will be very important for rest of the week, and it can guide us to the next move of the market. Now, next important thing which we will see is the normal technicals. So let's first start with supply and demand zone. So Nifty is entering. So till Nifty is holding 24,700, high probability. You can see a move towards 25,234. And Bank Nifty, it has to close above 53,801 for the move towards its all-time high of around 54,500. And let's move to the Sensex. Sensex again, it has to close above 82,350 for a move towards 84,098. And if I look at the classical technical analysis, Nifty ABCD pattern is intact. The target's coming around 28,000. But important thing is it has to hold this low, which we have formed in you know November. Weekly, this 13-week cycle works really well. It has closed above the safe zone and it opens the possibility of up move towards 26,200, provided we again hold this around 24,000 odd levels. And on monthly chart, again, after that doji formation, we are closing above this till we are above this last month high of 24,000, 600 odd level. The trend is on the bullish side. Bank Nifty again, exact support at this AF line and up move, and again the bullish ABCD pattern is forming. And I think the same studies will go on with Sensex also. Perfect move on the monthly chart, looking very reversal kind of pattern. Inside bar, all Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex have formed inside bar on weekly. So, and again, the upside is open towards 85,000 and towards 87,000 based on these studies. Again, these Friday's lows are very, very crucial. Now, one important thing about Nifty. So, Bank Nifty, Nifty, so Nifty is near its 50% retracement. Uh, So for Nifty, I mean Nifty has closed above its 100-day moving average also. So all the short-term moving averages. So now we have strong support around Gann trend chain level of 24,406 and 400 to 450 is a strong support zone. And probably once it starts going above closing about 24,800, there is an upside possibility towards 25,000 to 25,143. Now similarly, if I go for Bank Nifty. Again, looking very strong, but as I told, it has to close above 53,800 for this fresh all-time high on Bank Nifty and strong support at 52,769. So now let me quickly show you, the weekly levels which I'm following. So for Bank Nifty, it is 82,040, 24,685 for Nifty and 53,450 for Bank Nifty, and we keep a 108 point stop loss in Bank Nifty and Sensex and 55 points in Nifty. And as the level comes, we can book our profits. And now let's quickly show what neural forecast is also showing. So it is showing like we might made a short-term top and we can see a correction till 16, the consolidation and ultimate bottom around 25 and then a rally is something what it is showing. This is for Nifty, and for Bank Nifty, we can see again a short-term bottom and it bottoming out around 18, then a consolidation and ultimate bottom around 25, and then a rally is what this neural forecast is showing. Again, neural forecast is not a holy grail. As and when the levels comes, we have to take a call on that. And now we have to see the impact of two important things: full moon cycle and Mercury declinations. Declinations are one of the most powerful events, and Mercury turning direct. And the stocks, like I told you, Reliance, Bharti, ITC, FMCG stocks, and oil and gas stocks is something which needs to be kept on our radar. So yeah, that's about it in this video. I mean, very simple techniques we have seen, and let's see how the market reacts. Underlying trend remains to be bullish, but again, the markets are I mean, in the kind of move which we have seen on Friday, the similar was on 5th. So probably we can see some 2 to 3 days of time correction and then the next move coming into the market. So again, Monday's high and low will be very crucial for the whole week. So yeah, that's about it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.